Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the Honda Pioneer 1000 and I'm going to be installing the bed extender. Let's get to it. In the box you'll get your bed extender. You'll also get a few brackets and bolts to install the extender. I'm going to start by doing one side first and then I'll do the other side. I'm going to remove this cable here with a 5mm Allen key from the top and a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm nut on the bottom here. Now I'm going to remove these two 10mm holding the bed latch and this bracket here on. Next I'm going to clean off the back side of the latch right here so I can stick down a cushion pad. And then I'm going to reinstall the latch with this bracket right here that was provided in the kit. Here is how I have the bracket and latch set up. Make sure this hook right here is pointing to the outside of the machine. Here's the bracket for the other side. You can see it is the opposite. Next, I'm going to remove this plastic plug right here so that I can install the next bracket. Now I'm going to take a 13mm or 1/2 inch drill bit and drill that hole out. Make sure you drill through the hole on the other side of the bar as well, so that the collar fits all the way in. Now we can install this bracket here with the long 10mm that came in the kit. Next I'm going to reinstall the cable through the hole in the new bracket and onto the bracket holding the latch on. And here's how it all looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Now I'm going to take some soapy water, a flathead screwdriver, and install these little rubber stopper pads here on these holes on the new brackets. The bottom side of the extender only has 2 holes for these rubber bumpers. I'm going to install them now. Now I'm going to install the extender. I'm going to put it over top of the brackets on both sides. Make sure it's lined up. Lean it forwards a little bit, and it drops right in. To take it out, just do the opposite. Lean it forwards to about right here, and lift out. Now I'm going to install the 2 rubber bumpers on the top side. And then 2 more rubber bumpers right here and right here. Now I just need to install the straps that hold the extender down to the tailgate with these brackets here and the 2 10 mils that were provided in the kit. And there we go. Just like that, our Pioneer 1000 bed extender is installed. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button or click up here to check out the next video. This has been my bed extender install on the Honda Pioneer 1000. Ride safe.